I made up these nice little U-brackets for holding up fascia, so I just sort of put them on there and you can cramp that like that. When I'm working on my own, and then you can just pop the fascia in and it just holds it up there and you got all the movement that you want. It's like a third hand, so you can get one of them there and another one there. And it just holds it up so you haven't got to nail through the plastic marking it all. I mean, in this case we've got wooden fascia, so I'm just going to put that there for a helping hand really.
Another invention you're going to make absolutely
Nothing
money
on.
out of.
But you get it for free. If it helps out, if it helps the chippies out.
That's it. Okay, you'll get your reward in heaven then.
Right, I'm going down. There's like no kick on it.
That's an absolute joy, that thing, really. Having those brackets.
It just helps, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It's free.
I wish I'd thought of that.
That's what everyone said. I just want to stick a mitre through that end and I'm going to mitre it.
Got it, yeah.
Oops.